Hello guys, welcome to my new product review video. So let's begin our new product review video. Let's go.
If you own a Dell XPS or Precision Series laptop, you know how important it is to have a reliable power source. Today, we're reviewing the 19.5V 6.67A 130W AC laptop adapter charger, specifically designed for Dell XPS 15, 9530, 9550, 9560, and Precision 15 5520, 5530, M55100, M5520, and M3800 models. Let's talk about performance. This adapter delivers a solid 130 watts of power at 19.5 volts and 6.67 amps, ensuring fast, stable charging. It features a 4.5mm by 3.0mm connector, the exact match for many Dell models, making it a perfect replacement or backup charger. The build quality is excellent. It has overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection to keep your device safe. It also includes a high-quality, durable power cable that resists bending and wear over time. The charger remains cool even during long usage, which is essential for both safety and efficiency. Whether you're working from home, editing videos, gaming, or doing heavy design work, this charger can handle it all without interruption. It's portable, easy to pack, and perfect for travel or daily use. In short, if your original Dell charger is worn out, lost, or underperforming, this 130W AC adapter is a reliable, powerful, and cost-effective solution. Plug it in, power up, and get back to work without worries.